Hey everybody, welcome to my water garden setup. It's a little hydroponics thingy. So if you're watching this and you've got one, I'm gonna run through the setup. Got this for my birthday, so I'm gonna finally set it up. So what we've got in the bag is we've got the grow stones here. We've got some gravel to go in the bottom. We've got I got two bottles of the chlorinator. I think one of these is meant to be a bacteria starter accelerant thing, so that may have been a mess up in the packaging. We've got some fish food, and we've got 3 types of seeds which go in the 3 compartments. Bit of a filter, bit of a pipe. We've got the pump here, and a quite good set of instructions. So I'll be following along these, and of course we have the tank. I have unpacked it, of course. There you go, there's the kind of brief outline. There's where the 3 sets of seeds go. You got your feeding tube, and if we go down here, that is where the pump will connect eventually. So if we look at the instructions, first thing we need to do is wash the inside of the tank and rinse the gravel and put it in the bottom. And then next we do the filter pump, give that a wash, hook it all up. Fill the water, and then after that we'll probably just move it to the right spot, and of course we'll put the chlorinator in then as well. Alright, so that went well, everything went together fine, everything washed up fine. So we've got the gravel in the bottom, pumps all in. The attachment of the pump to the top bit was a little bit hard, but it was fine. So you might need help if you're a young'un. And just make sure your pump is twisted the right way, otherwise it won't stick against the back. The chlorinator's in, but it's might be the vitamin C that's in it that makes it that color. I haven't seen a dechlorinator that's actually that color at all. So now they say to stick a fish in, but I advise against that. You want to leave a fish tank up for at least a week before you put a fish tank in it, before you put a fish in it. So I'm definitely not going to stick a fish in now. And what we're going to do is move on to the next part. So the next part is assembling the top and adding all the rocks to the grow beds. So first of all, it's just telling us that that's all the stuff we need. Next we'll add the sponge to the top part. And we'll arrange the grow beds to make sure that they all line up to the relevant holes. We're going to give the rocks a wash before we put them in the top as well. Now here's where you add the nitrifying bacteria stuff, but I think we've left that out, but that is fine.
I think it has a light. Oh, I wish this tank has an iron in it.
There we go, all set up. So in theory now, this is ready for fish and ready for plants. I have not turned it on yet, so we will do that on video to make sure it's still working. But now, next they say add the seeds onto the top. There's a spoonful of each, and before planting, once you harvest the crops, wash out the stones. Now they just say wash them out. Make sure you do not use chlorinated water. Dechlorinate your water, otherwise you will reverse everything you just did. It's very important, and they should put that on there. Dechlorinated water should only be used to rinse out your stones. And it's good that they put this here. Only do 1 pod per day, because this stuff is the stuff that keeps your fish healthy. So you want to keep the bacteria in there. And if you wash all of them out at once, especially with chlorinated water, you are going to make your fish suffer. The tank will get very dirty. So what else do they say? They say feed your fish every day. That goes into the feeding hole, which is right there. And every week just add some dechlorinated as well. And it's got some vitamin C in it. So I'm guessing that's keeping the nutrients in the plants as well. And every month just give everything a bit of a clean. So let's try and turn it on. Okay, flick the switch. Switch is flicked.
What is happening?
It's filling up. Sounds like it's filling up the top at the moment. It's coming up the pump. It's starting to drip there now.
It's the best. It's so cool.
So no leaks so far. Looks like it's doing well. All right. Hopefully this will quiet down a little bit, but we will see how we go. So what I'm going to do off camera is put in the seeds up the top. And this is kind of directly after we set up the fish tank, because when we went to add the seeds, conflicting instructions. We'll point this out. Open a packet of seeds and sprinkle a tablespoon on top. Now, we did that, and then I went, oh, better look at the seed packet. Soak in water for 6 to 12 hours. All of these packets have that same instruction. So it was a bit conflicting there. We did take the seeds out of the growing chambers, the growing pots, and we decided to follow the packet instructions because they are a bit more concentrated on the seed itself. And we'll just do these as progress videos. So hopefully we will see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Any questions, put them in the comments below. And hopefully we'll see you in the next water garden video. See you later, guys. Bye.